Just an awesome piece of Crusader history with this silver Gros Grand coin that was minted on the island of Cyprus in 1324 to 1359 during the rule of King Hugh IV. The obverse side features a Jerusalem cross. It was also known as a Crusader cross, with a large cross potent with 4 smaller Greek crosses in each quadrant. The coin was very well struck. It's in great condition, being over 7 centuries old. We set this in a 14-karat white gold pendant. Just an outstanding piece. These are a little bit larger. These are larger Crusader coins. I consider them the ultimate Crusader coins. The ones minted in Cyprus, great silver, just very well struck. And this is an outstanding example of one. On the reverse side, you can see King Hugh IV. He's seated on a throne holding a fleur-de-lis tipped scepter and a globus cruciger.